Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you may or may not know, this video actually has two parts. So if you haven't seen the first part, I definitely recommend watching it before this one. In the eye right here, you can go watch the first part of this video and then come back to watch this one. Right here are the timestamps to skip around to this video to where part 2 starts or to the recap. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if this is your first time seeing me. My name is Maggie Howard and I make lifestyle videos with elements of musical theater, beauty, fashion, makeup, food occasionally, sometimes vlogs. And if you guys are interested in those kind of videos, it'd be so great if you subscribe, because as you can see here, a lot of the people who watch my videos are actually not subscribed, so it'd be great if you did. It would do me a huge favor. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup roulette. I saw this video idea from Isabel Mills, who I mentioned in the past. She's another small YouTuber and she did this video and I thought it would be really fun to do, so that's what I'm doing today. So basically this challenge video idea, I don't know, I guess it's a challenge. Basically, I took all of the steps of my makeup routine and I put them on like a little digital wheel. I'm going to be going through my makeup routine, but instead of using, like first I would do eyeshadow. Instead of using eyeshadow, I'll do whatever the wheel roulette thing chooses for me. So it could be lip gloss, it could be eyebrow pencil, whatever. I don't know what's going to happen. So my face might be looking crazy really soon, so I don't know. Without further ado, let's get makeup roulette and click to spin it and then it'll give me a makeup thing. So the first thing I would usually do would be my eyeshadow. I got highlighter. This could be horrible or also kind of cool. It's gonna be a little crazy, but that's okay. Let's do this. Kind of looks like I have pink eye a little bit. What if I get like lip gloss or mascara? I feel like I'm gonna get that now. Okay, for mascara. Okay, this is not as bad as I thought, so I'm actually kind of enjoying this. That's two different eyebrows, my friend. Oh no, oh no. Do you see how much darker this one is than this one? Let's see what I'm gonna be putting on my face as powder. I got lipstick. How am I supposed to put lipstick on my face as powder? Let's just look this up and see if there's like a thing. I looked it up and it was like lipstick instead of blush, lipstick instead of eyeshadow. No, I'm using it for powder. Let's just go for it with this like pinkish one. Let me get a lipstick I don't really care about so I don't ruin it. Okay, so I found this clear lipstick, which technically it's still lipstick, but it's chapstick, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use this pink one. And it's gonna go all over my face. So I don't know how it's gonna work. I think I just dropped it onto my carpet. Okay. I'm gonna be using this as a powder brush. See, you guys, this was looking, here's a lipstick. This was looking good until now. Okay. Okay. Deep breaths. This is not blending. Man, my clogs are gonna be so poor. My pores are gonna be so clogged. It looks like I have a really bad sunburn. The damage has already been done. What's more if it doesn't spread? Should I just put it directly on my face and spread it out? Kind of am here for this approach. I want to see like a beauty guru, so not me, do this challenge because it's very hard and I feel like they could make it look good. Kind of shocked that this is what my face looks like right now. Next, I would put on blush. So let's see what we're gonna get for blush. Man, if I get actual blush, what not. powder. Okay, let's get some powder. I'm just gonna have to wash my brushes anyway, so see how this goes. It'll just make me pale right there. Man, I should use an actual blush brush. What am I doing? Put a lot so you can actually kind of see a difference. I can't see a difference, but I use powder for blush. Let's see what I'm gonna get for highlighter. Blush. How's that? Everything's just gonna blend together. It's all pink at this point. I'm gonna take my highlighter brush, get some blush. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there's definitely, like, it's more peachy up here. So that's good. Now I would put on lipstick, and then I'm gonna put on lip gloss. So 2 more for lipstick. Highlighter. Okay, I have to use highlighter for lipstick. What I'm gonna use is this because it's like in a lipstick kind of form. I'm just gonna go right in because I know at this point I already look crazy. There, my lipstick. Last one, lip gloss. Powder? Powder. Okay. I'm trying to get like a good amount of it. Okay, pat it on there. Just making my lips feel crusty. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me destroy my face. I really hope I don't break out today or tomorrow or sometime in the near future because this is crazy. My face is covered in lipstick and lipstick. So if you enjoyed this video and you want me to continue to do more crazy things like that, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below any other like beauty. I keep combining my words. Makeup. I was combining makeup and beauty in case you didn't know on accident. More beauty or makeup related videos or like challenges, things like this that you want me to do, because this was actually really fun even though it was kind of torturous for my skin. I definitely enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.